an energetic protocol to assist you in coming back to your core, back to your center, holding your energy and awareness in a very balanced, clean, clear way in every single dimension where you're expressing yourself. When we get dimensional shifts, and we also may have spent a lot of time tending to things in the outer world, our focus ends up getting held more externally. And then we feel uncentered, ungrounded, not connected. When we bring all of our anchors, our reference points back to our core, back to the present moment, we move back into alignment and connection with our essence. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy in again, to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line, to use your exhale to ground and anchor into that inner river. As you hold your energy and awareness in your divine line, take a moment to consciously reference how some part of you might be holding a lot of energy in the outer world, perhaps even on your body, if your body is uncomfortable, perhaps in the past or the future, or on all the possibilities of the outer world. And holding that conscious awareness of how some part of you might be looking external. Explore the idea that some energetic aspect of you have placed your anchors, your reference points externally on the outer world, on people, places, things, timelines, and inviting your higher self, your body to its higher self in teams, your imagination and your intent to retrieve all of your anchors, all of your reference points, back to your divine line, divine cosmic loop for you, soul rider. Body, divine nature, spirit, bringing all of your anchors back to your own divine line, divine cosmic loop. Bringing it in, anchors inside, reference points inside, internal, in your line of light. And just take a moment to out loud or silently do a mantra of all my anchors and reference points back to my line of light. All my anchors and reference points back to my line of light. All my anchors and reference points back to my line of light. Body, all your anchors and reference points back to your line of light. And then let yourself visualize, feel, intend, imagine all of those anchors and reference points back to your line of light. Holding your awareness in your individual divine cosmic loop, running your light in your individual divine cosmic loop, coming back to your core, back to your center with your intent, your imagination, using your energetic fields, all of your anchors, all of your reference points back to your line of light. And then ask yourself, where do you want to ground? Do you want to ground in your base chakra? Do you want to ground in the heart? Do you want to ground in the solar plexus? Do you want to ground in the second chakra? Where do you want to hold your weight, your energetic weight? What energy center? Pelvic floor, which would be linked in with the second chakra, and then invite some energetic aspect of you, your body and your teams, to hold the weight in that energy center, grounding you in that energy center, balancing you and stabilizing you. And then taking a deep breath in, expanding your magnetics, your roots, updating all of your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive, and letting that integrate.